Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial I'm gonna show you that how to create radial stroke line wave animation in the Figma. So stay tuned in the Figma, and before that I would like to show you that how video will work. So let's get started after this highlight in the Figma tutorials.
Okay, so we are in the Figma and create a new file that I already created here. That one file for this tutorial. You can create new file and set up one canvas. So I'm creating 1080 by 1080 canvas size. Okay, so for this example 1080 by 1080 canvas size, but feel free to go with any size you prefer based on your project. And next we will start based on the circular emitting radial animation. So select the ellipse tools and create the circles. So I'm creating one circles. Make sure it should be in center of this canvas, and the circle size is like around 450 by 450. Okay, and make sure there should be a no fill in the circle. So I'm removing the fill and add the stroke over here. It should be a bit darker, and just make some width of stroke around 5. Okay, and let me change the canvas color so it is visible like yellow. Okay, this is fine. So we will do emitting animations in the radial by it should be looks like creating the patterns of the particular circles. So let's first of all we need to create the components of this ellipse shape, and then we need to add variant, like add property and add variant, then add one more variant. Okay, and let's make this the outside of that canvas, and just go a such section and choose the instance from that ellipsis. So make sure it should be in center, and now we just repeating these ellipses in the circular repeater. So control D, and just adjust the position a bit and make it rotate angular. So now you just duplicate by pressing Ctrl D, so it will be looks like creating some patterns in the circle. Yeah, so this is what I want to show you that in this video, and just make some animation this circular. So by pressing Ctrl G, creating group and make it in the center of that canvas. Now we will create some animation by using this component where we use this circular. So let's make a bit animation. So make it smaller and just give the interactions of these two variant, like create just choose one default variant and create interactions by after delay. So let's change to variant 2 and choose the animation type smart animation, and the same way like from the variant 2 to default choose after delay trigger and animation type smart animation. So it should be looks like the circular smaller and the bigger circular smaller and the bigger. So let's test this canvas for this circular pattern. Okay, so it looks good. Like you can create this in some section background and export this as video or SVG animation by using some plugins of the SVG extractor.